Namaste everyone. This is Acharya Prem welcoming you to this channel with another new transformative video. So stick to the video till the end to get maximum benefit out of this video. And if you are new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through a very simple yet most powerful breathing practice that will transform your entire life just in few minutes of daily practice. Not to beat around the bush, the breathing practice is called belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. It is one of the simplest yet most powerful breathing practice that you can use to reduce stress, anxiety, overcome fear, depression, any mental problems, psychological problems, or physical issues. The best part of this practice is that you can do it anytime and anywhere. So let's get started. Belly breathing is exactly what it sounds like. It is an act of breathing deeply into your belly, not just your chest. This breathing helps activate your body's relaxation response. It is like giving your body an instant reset button. How it works. As you inhale, your diaphragm moves down and belly expands out. And as you exhale, diaphragm rises up and belly gently falls in. It is slow, deep, and full of intentions. Now you might be wondering why this belly breathing is so important. Well, in our fast-paced lives, we actually forgot how to breathe. Generally, we tend to breathe shallowly just from our chest. And this shallow breathing does not fully oxygenate our bodies, which create tension, stress, and anxiety. When we do deep belly breathing, then it helps our body to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which bring our bodies in the state of calm and relaxation. It is like mini vacation for your nervous system. Now that you know why this breathing is so important, let's get into the practice. First, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion or on a chair. Place one hand on your belly and then the other on your chest. Now take a moment to just feel how you are breathing right now. Does your chest rise and fall more than your belly? That's pretty common. Take a slow breath in through your nose. As you do, let your belly expand outward like a balloon. Try not to let your chest rise. Just focus on filling up your belly. Then slowly exhale and allow your belly to fall back in. Repeat this a few times. Focus on the slow rhythm of your breath. Notice how your body starts to relax with each breath. You might even feel your shoulders drop and your mind begin to settle. That is the magic of belly breathing. It helps you become more aware of the present moment, which can instantly calm your mind and ease any tension. Continue this deep belly breathing in your own rhythm. And let me quickly touch on some amazing benefits of belly breathing. Not only does it reduce stress and anxiety, but it also helps to improve your posture. When you breathe deeply into your belly, it naturally aligns your spine and engages your core muscles. It also improves digestion by massaging your internal organs as you breathe. Plus, it boosts circulation and helps oxygenate your cells, which leaves you feeling more energized and clear-headed. Let us end with a short guided practice to really feel the power of belly breathing. I will count for you and we will do this together. Take a deep breath in for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your belly expand. Now exhale slowly for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your belly soften. Again, inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing at your own pace, slow and steady. With every breath, you are sending a message to your body. It is okay to relax. It is okay to be at peace. If you find it challenging in sitting position, or maybe you are not sure if you do it correct or no, then you can also try it in lying down on your back. You may want to try it. Lie down on your back, resting your body completely on the mat. Resting your feet dropped out, resting your hands beside your body. And then gently place one of your hand on your belly. Then focus on your breath and on your belly and start deeply inhaling through your belly. As you inhale deeply through your belly, you can feel the movement in your belly. It's expanding out as you inhale and it's falling in as you exhale. Feel the movement of your belly and your hand on inhalation and on exhalation. Continue this breathing for few rounds and observe the movement of your belly. You can also put a book on your belly instead of hand. Once you put the book on your belly, you can feel the weight of the book on your belly, and that will make you push the belly out when you breathe in. You may want to try this too. Put one book on your belly and then start breathing deeply through your belly, and you can feel how you are pushing the book upward on inhalation, and as you exhale, the book is going down with your belly. If you find this one also challenging, then you can also try another variation, and that one is that you lie down on your belly in Makarasana while keeping your legs completely relaxed. Your feet are dropped out, your lower belly is down on the mat, and you are holding your chin with your hands. Once you come into this position, you will feel that your belly is already down on the floor or on the mat. And as you start breathing, you will feel that your breath is going deep down into the belly, and you will feel the expansion into your belly. Continue this breathing for few rounds and observe the movement of your belly. Try any of these variations and feel the breath into your belly. That felt nice, didn't it? Belly breathing is such a simple breathing, but it can make huge difference in your day-to-day life. Whenever you feel stressed, anxious, or you just need a break, come back to your breath. Take a deep, slow, and mindful breath. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Share this video with your friends who need relaxation today. And remember, a calm mind begins with a calm breath. Namaste for now. Take care, and I will see you in next video.